Students, look at the question. Sucrose is undergoing hydrolysis. The two products you are getting are A and B, and everybody knows that. The two products you will get on hydrolysis of sucrose are glucose and fructose. One is glucose, another one is fructose. I know this is aldose and this one is a ketose. And what I am seeing is there is a Selivanov's reagent I am using for a Selivanov's test. What is Selivanov's test? So, first of all, you see what do you mean by Selivanov's reagent? Selivanov's reagent is a mixture of resorcinol. You all people know that a resorcinol is a diol. It's 1,3 diol. This is resorcinol and concentrated HCl. This mixture is called Selivanov's reagent. And the Selivanov's reagent we are using to distinguish aldehydes and ketones. So, in order to distinguish aldoses and ketoses, we are using Selivanov's test. So, the function of Selivanov's test is to distinguish aldoses and ketoses, right? When I will say the name, I can see there is a off. Off means everything ups and offs. So, what you are saying that in general aldehyde is always more reactive and ketones are less reactive. Am I right? So, always we are telling that aldehyde, due to the presence of active hydrogen, it is more reactive. In case of the ketones, due to the absence of active hydrogen, it is less reactive. But in the Selivanov's test, I am seeing ketoses are more reactive. And let me tell you that more rapidly, you will get here the red colored precipitate that you will be seeing here. In the case of aldoses, you will get the precipitate, pale pink you can tell, precipitate. But you will see this appearance of the precipitate, it will take place slowly. So, when I will see off, so everything will be off, the order of reactivity become off. Aldehyde always we are saying more reactive, but you can see it is giving the precipitate pale pink color slowly after some time. So, I am telling always ketone is less reactive, but here I am seeing that it is giving the red colored precipitate rapidly. So, to distinguish ketoses and aldoses, we are using the Selivanov's test. Now, everyone see this. You have the mixture of glucose and fructose. When you do the Selivanov's test, whether you will get no color, no. Whether you will get the red color, yes. Whether you will get the violet color, no. Whether you will get the blue color, no. Either you will get the red color or you will get the pale pink color. The pale pink color they have not specified. So, red color is given. So, I must take option B here as right answer.